Prepare a piece of old tofu, pour in boiling water, and scald it. Remove the sour taste. Wash celery with a stick. Take a looser shot. You do 2 slashes on it. Chop it up again. After finishing, put it in the guts. Squeeze all the excess moisture vigorously. The blanched tofu is mashed with a rolling pin. The blanched fungus is also chopped. Add another $5 of pork filling. Add scallion and minced ginger. Add salt, pepper powder, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oil. Finally, add 2 spoonfuls of cooking oil and stir well. So, the filling is ready. This is my reconciliation in advance. Just mix the noodles with cold water. Knead the noodles. Cut into 2. Knead each portion into a long strip. Cut into evenly sized. Sprinkle with dry flour. Rub it to prevent sticking. Press flat again. Roll out into a dough with thin edges and a thick middle. Take a crust, add the stuffing, wrap it into dumplings according to your own technique. The water boils in a pot. Add the wrapped dumplings in turn. Push it to prevent sticking. Close the lid. Close the lid. The fire was burning. Put cold water in the middle. Cook until the dumplings are bolting and ready to serve. The dumplings made like this are thin-skinned and stuffed. It was delicious. Nutrition is also very rich. Adults and children love it very much. If you like it too, give it a try. Okay, that's it for today's video. Welcome to leave a message and forward the collection. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.